Section 5. Disability Action Transport Scheme, DATS. 5A. About DATS. DATS is a local specialist transport service for people living in towns or cities who find it difficult to use public transport. It used to be known as the door-to-door service, which was almost the same as the new Disability Action Transport Scheme, or DATS. You can use this service to take you to your work, local shops, town centre, hairdressers, the doctor, or just to visit your family or friends. If you were a member of the door-to-door scheme, you do not need to do anything, as your membership will have already transferred over to the new DATS. To use DATS services, you must become a member of the scheme. To become a member, you need to request an application form by email transport@disabilityaction.org or by phoning 0845 608 5555. 5B. Planning your journey. Once your membership is confirmed, you will receive a card which will have your membership number and telephone booking line number. We would recommend that you save these details in your phone if you have one. The booking office is open from Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m, excluding public holidays. You can book a trip up to 7 days in advance of the day you want to travel. Members can request their trip on the day they want to travel, but it is recommended that trips should be requested at least 48 hours prior to date. Make sure you have the right money to pay the driver. This is usually £1.50 for each single journey. 5C. When you travel. The driver will pick you up outside your house. They will then make sure you get into the vehicle and have your seatbelt on. The driver will take the payment from you for your journey. When you arrive at your destination, the driver will make sure you get out of the vehicle safely. The same will happen when the vehicle is due to pick you up on the way home. When you're waiting to come back home, the driver will again wait outside where you're being picked up. If you need to cancel your booking, please call your booking office as early as possible. Further information. If you would like further information on how the scheme works, you can visit Disability Action's website on www.disabilityaction.org/transport or call us on 0845 608 5555.